checking the new arena
Okay, so in this
update
video,
with
we
my
are
friend.
going to be making a video about the new arena. So,
Oh, out of here, motherfucker! Okay, so this is my friend Bob.
this is a kids friendly. I'm just kidding. All right, so let's get right into it.
You are so stunned.
So they did not add any new items, but what you want to do, you want to join like a code with your friend and press arena. And then it'll make your screen black, and then you slowly start to die and die and
you
die
will load
and
here.
die and die. And then,
you can pick your.
Oh, if I want to be red team, me and him can team.
Yeah.
Or I'm gonna be blue, so then we're not teaming.
Yeah.
Oh no!
And then you can get
I'm red. Bro, I'm red. You become blue.
Then you can get some items over here.
Bro, you become blue. I become red.
And then you hold.
Little bro's too slow. She says she's from the rainbow.
What you want?
So what you're trying to do? You're trying to break.
Get the fudge out of here!
Oh, and you get infinite ammo. Because it's slow. It's slow.
Infinite ammo.
It's slow
like
charges.
There's a cooldown on these.
Oh.
Okay, he's dead. And then what you want to do is go to the other team, modding them with your items. Just like
you
this.
just have to get your hand near it. And you're trying to keep them fatties away from your stuff. But yeah, this also adds for a pickaxe. Really cool, actually.
Where? Oh, there you are.
I got 3 shots, baby.
Oh, no!
I got 3 shots each shotty. Alright, so what you gotta do, you're trying to protect this, okay? And make sure he doesn't destroy all of these. Once he destroys all of these, he will win. So you have to go over there and destroy his.
All of your ores, then they win.
Oh no! No!
Where did you go? Heck no! He died into.
She says she's from New England.
Hi, Timmy. I hit him 2 times.
Died. Oh,
okay, he's dead. You want to start mining as fast as you can. As fast as you can. I'm stuck. Shotgun.
She says she's from New England. Alright, but they do not add any new items to the tech, which honestly sucks.
Shoot the other players. Ow. Owie. Stop shooting me, please. Where do you think you're going?
No!
He's dead. Where's mine? Mine, last one! Victory!
Alright, but once you die, this will pop up, right? Like once you lose, that'll pop up. I have no idea if this is gonna be like the new tech.
Yeah, maybe in the new update after this one, that might work.
Oh, this is your kill count.
Still
This is your kill count.
Oh, yo.
Okay, that's cool.
So,
No new skins.
so I killed you 3 times, and I died 5 times. So I didn't actually see this stuff. So
I killed you
yeah,
6
and
times
then we
and I
still
died
got the
4 times.
chameleon, and we still got this. That's gonna be here for longer. This has been out forever, honestly.
I know, like, how much do people need this fit? Like, honestly.
This one?
The
Like,
gold.
what's the point of the money gun if you don't get any money from it?
I know, right? But that
Maybe
is
if you're
all
a
for
modder,
the,
then it gives you money.
But that is all for the video.
you like the real?
I might be getting Discord. I don't know. But yeah. Comment down below if you want to be in the video. Like, subscribe, comment down below. What time and what code. And to get back,
Yes.
you just press
And
adventure.
yeah, you hit adventure. But if you want to meet me, I have a fan code, so it's called COLE, Cole. If you want to meet
Shout
me
out to
sometime.
Cole. Shout out to Cole.
Sure, okay.
And my fan code is BPH. That's where I'm gonna be hosting all of my videos, all of my trades. So if you want to get to meet me, join the code BPH. Let's go.
But yeah.